viewers, it's me again, Dee, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing something new. This is actually my first time to do a get ready with me video on this channel. I've done something like this on my Instagram account, but this is my first time doing this here, and I hope you guys will like it. This video is in collaboration with YesStyle, and for those who don't know, YesStyle is an online platform that carries multiple brands that offer skincare, makeup, clothes, home stuff or home improvement stuff, and a whole lot more. So if you guys want to know more about YesStyle, you may click the link on the description box. And if you want to know how I came up with this look, stick around, keep on watching because Dee explores YesStyle. This is my bare face. So ayan, this is the first time that I'm ever gonna be showing my face bare on this channel, and we will be unboxing the products that I got from YesStyle. This is actually for their cruelty-free campaign, and I am going to be using products, makeup products in particular, that claim to be cruelty-free. So I'll be placing all the links of the product that I'll be using on the description box if you guys are interested to know more about it. Alright, so here's what I got. Ta-da! And, oh, diba? May bottle. Ooh! Uy, ang puti niya, be. Ang puti niya. Paano yan? Ang puti niya, be. Tingnan mo. Ang puti niya. Ang puti niya, be. Hindi ko carry. So, ito na lang. Matry natin the PURITO. So, let's try if this will work because baka ito na yung mas bagay sa skin color ko. Kasi yung kanina masyado talaga siyang dark. Ay, masyado siyang light. Hopefully, this will work. Solved. Okay na ba? got the one for the curlers but then hindi pa siya dumating. Alright, so this is my finished look. It's actually just a light makeup and I can wear this on a daily basis given that I'm able to go out. But since we're almost always at home, I still kind of prefer to let my skin breathe. But these are very good products. They are actually easy to apply, and some of the products are very pigmented, and then they are all cruelty free. So if you're very particular in choosing your makeup products, you might want to consider these products because they are cruelty free, you know. So lately I've been very conscious in the products that I've been using. So this campaign is actually really nice to let many people know that there are a lot of products that are cruelty free. So if you guys want to check some other cruelty-free products, you can head to the YesStyle website. I'll be placing the links to their cruelty-free products on the description box. These are the products that I used. I used the COSRX Blemish Cover Cushion, but I find that this is very light for my skin tone. I thought that this will adjust. As it appears, it was very bright, and yeah, it did not sit well with my skin tone. So I was able to fix that with the PURITO Cica Clearing BB Cream. So I applied this on top of the COSRX, and I was able to achieve the base for my look. And then I also have the Luna Concealer, but I wasn't able to use this one because when I tried to swatch it on my arm, it was also bright. I think same lang siya ng COSRX. They're actually nice products. Maybe I'll try to use them again some other time. I also use the KARADIUM shadow sticks. These are also very nice products. I use this for my eyeshadows and some highlighting as well. So I also used the KARADIUM eyeliner. I did not use this as an eyeliner, but I used this as an eyebrow filler or eyebrow pencil. It's not a pencil, basta something for the brows. I haven't really applied eyeliner for a really long time, so ayun. And I did not have anything for the eyebrows on my YesStyle haul, so I just used this instead, and it works really well. Nag-work naman siya sa aking eyebrows, as you can see. And as it says here, it is waterproof, so we'll see if this will actually last. So for the next product, I used the Cathy Doll Cotton Matte Blusher. It's the Hello Kitty version, and this is my favorite among all the products that I got from YesStyle. It's not my favorite because of the Hello Kitty, but I really love that it is very pigmented and it's very easy to apply. You can use the cushion or you can use a brush to apply it, and I really love the shade as well. And I used this matte blusher for my cheeks and for my eyes as well. So yes, I really love this one. And for my lips, I used the Heimish Varnish Velvet Lip Tint, and I find this one very bright, so I added some powder on top of it just to like mattify it a little bit. But I really love that it's very pigmented as well. I'm not yet sure how long it will last on my lips, but it is a nice product. So I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. If you want to know more about YesStyle, or if you want to check out their cruelty-free products, I'll be placing all the links on the description box. And if you guys want me to do more videos such as this, skincare, makeup, or anything really, please let me know by leaving a comment down below. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share if that's something that you like, and if you're not part of the community, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I have new videos such as this. And I hope to see you on the next one. Keep exploring! Bye!